Children, I'll give a brief summary of the story.
How Old is Muttaji? Written by Ruba Pai.
In the story, we come across with some characters. The first character is Putta and the next is Putti. They are twin brother and sister. The next character is Muttaji. Muttaji is the great grandmother of Putta and Putti. Who is this great grandmother? Which means their mother's mother. And the next character is Aji. Aji is the grandmother. The next character is Ajja. Ajja is the grandfather. These are the main characters of the story. How old is Muttaji? The story takes place in the year 2016. Putta and Putti, they went for the birthday celebration of their Muttaji in Mysore. When they reached there, they wished Muttaji happy birthday. Muttaji was very happy. And the children were very curious to know about Muttaji's age. So they asked Muttaji, Muttaji, how old are you now? But Muttaji was unaware about her age. She is telling, age does not matter. But the children asked again and again. They want to know her age. So Muttaji started thinking. Muttaji gave a hint. The first clue was, before 5 years of her birth, the Maharaja of Mysore went for a grand party in Delhi. In that grand party, a king and queen from Britain also invited. And the Mysore Maharaja got a gold medal from that king. So children asked, Muttaji, do you know that king's name? And do you know the year which this happened? But Muttaji does not remember that. And the children asked for the next clue. Muttaji recalled a memory. When she was 9 years old, her uncle from Bombay visited her at Mysore. And her uncle told her about the clean trains. Clean trains? What does it mean? Muttaji said, that I don't know. But this clean train started running in that year. And the children asked, do you remember the year? Muttaji said, I don't remember the year. And the children were disappointed. Moving on to the third hint. When Muttaji was 16 years old, she married Muttaja and both of them moved to Bombay as Muttaja got a job. In that same year, Mysore Maharaja inaugurated a big dam and a beautiful garden in Mysore. So the children asked Muttaji, do you remember the year? But Muttaji does not remember the year. And at the same moment, Aji came. Who is Aji? Their grandmother. Aji came with the vermicelli payasa. It's a sweet dish which is Muttaji's favorite one. And Aji said them, KRS is the name of that dam. Brindavan is the name of that garden. And the children asked to Aji, do you remember when it was built? But Aji said, I don't remember. Then Aji suggested them to go to library with Ajja. Who is Ajja? Ajja is the grandfather. So after the lunch, they went to the library with their grandfather. Putta, Putti and Aji reached the central library. And they found a book named The History of Mysore. From that book, they found the KRS Dam and the Brindavan Garden opened to public in the year 1932. So they understood. Muttaji got married 84 years ago. And the next hint was the clean trains. They asked Aja, Aja, do you know about clean trains? Aja said, in olden days, it is the black coal used to run the trains. So, the dust particles landed on people's face and clothes. And the children shouted, yes, electric trains! Electric trains are the clean trains. They pulled out a book from Indian Railway. From that book, they found the electric trains are started running from Bombay in the year 1925. So they understood. Muttaji said she was 9, then she was born in 1916. But they have to confirm Muttaji's year of birth. So they asked Aja, Aja, is there any grand party happened in 1911? Aja said, yes, I do remember, because the Gateway of India was inaugurated in that year 1911 to welcome the British Emperor of India, George V. The children were very happy and they confirmed that Muttaji was born in the year 1916. They rushed home and told Muttaji, Muttaji, you are 100 now. Muttaji was very happy to know her age and she was excited that she was 100 years old. So she gave them cake, ice cream, sweets and all. So this is the story. How's the story? I hope you like it. This is a kind of investigation story, isn't it? They calculated the years to find Muttaji's age. Putta and Putti, they traveled through the history of Muttaji as well as the history of our nation.
Dear children, I have attached a PDF of the story in the Google Classroom. Don't forget to read the story at least for 2 times. Thank you.